Welcome back. So now we continue with answering messages on Facebook. So on Facebook, like on Instagram, you can write them directly here. Our goal is always to get their number, okay? So we have to ask them always, so why give us this particular one the number? He give us actually from the automatic response that we send through the application. In some cases, they don't give a response. So we ask them, thank you so much. No, give me your number and I call you back for all details. So we will use standard messages that you will find also on this page. So in future, you will use only our standard messages. What to write? Important is always to be friendly, to write full sentences, correct grammatic with capital letter at the beginning when needed. For the Instagram messages, it's the same. Doesn't matter if it's Facebook or Instagram. Messages is quite simple. Always answering with getting the phone number. But not only this, all the actions, even in comments, we do always with the goal of getting the particular lead, prospect, interest, client's lead. Now we go ahead to Facebook comments. Here we have a little bit more to do than on Instagram. Instagram is easy. On Instagram, you can do only one thing. As you see here, on Instagram, you can just comment to all of them, as I was doing it here in this comment. So just tap here and comment. On Facebook, that's the difference. You have more options. On Facebook, you can respond him directly, like let's see an older post. Let's see this one, have different comments. No. Let's see this one here. Let's see, mostly this one have more comments. You see the replies here. Let's go deeper. Maybe this one. No. Let's go deeper. Let's give it a try for this. No. What I want to tell you with this is that if there are different replies on Facebook, this is Facebook, yes, only one comment. No comments. Here, commented by 5 others. Great, so this is what I was looking. So now you can reply him directly here, what you will do with each one. You write him always the same. Like, I have saved the messages. Hi, please provide me your phone number and I call you back to provide you all informations and details. Talk soon, make you fit. Okay, this is first one. No one called me. See here the reply. No. Stop. So we have to check the message, why no one called me. Oh, okay, if you make something wrong like now, no, don't worry. So now here I was commenting wrong. I just deleted. So, no one call me, reply. So this is the reply. You can set up in your phone automatic replies like shortcuts, under keyboards. Shortcuts, I have, for example, if I write double Z, then it's coming my reply. So you can save them and can work faster. You can see here the response. Somebody write him and he give us the number. So that is what you have to do. Always write with the goal. Now maybe you ask yourself, this is also something very important for the app, how you can go back from this menu. You just swipe up to the right then you can go back. Okay, let's see the next, what is important to know. So don't forget how to come back. So let's repeat. What you will do on the comments is always comment to each one. And if there are many comments, comment also here in general to all of them, like I'm doing it now. Look. Please provide, not me. Like this, we can also write. Okay, great. That's it. So what we do is reply to all of them, reply to each one in particular. And of course, we go and write them also direct. Some of them, we can write them even direct. Not all the time. Let's see here if we can do it. No. Let's see here. No, let's see here. Yes, look, here you have the option. You can message him direct. Okay, and then you write him, just give me your numbers. But make sure this guy, like Sahas, Ilir, don't have any messages. If you are not sure, you can just write him, hi, how are you? Send it. And then you go back to messages. You see, you write him. Ah, okay, you don't have the message. Now you write him just like this. Okay, this is what you need to do. Then the next thing is what you do with the conversations that you have here and what you do with the phone numbers. So the conversation, we don't need the entire conversation, but we need just the phone number. So every time you have a number, you just make a screenshot and then you go to WhatsApp and you go to the WhatsApp group leads body time and you just put it here. Okay, just post it and write, please call and give feedback to make sure this lead was called. Great, so we go back, continue, same as here, screenshot and send it. And that you do all the time. So I repeat, the most important thing is to reply to the messages, DM, reply to comments for each person, reply to the entire comments in the section, write people who give us a like, a direct message. So if somebody like us, try to contact them directly and write them, hey, do you like the training? Do you like to try it out? I see you like our page, communicate with them, just interact with them. Your goal is